It's time to cook in our kitchen. We're cooking in our kitchen, with letter sounds, What sound is this? W. Let's find out what we're going to find in our bowl. Alright, let's see. A woman. Woman. We're cooking in our kitchen, with letter sounds, What sound is this? Qu. Good. Let's find out what we're gonna find in the bowl. Qu. Look what I found. A quarter. Quarter. We're cooking in our kitchen, with letter sounds, What sound is this? Good. For, let's find out. Oh, an undershirt. For undershirt. Nice. We're cooking in our kitchen, with letter sounds, What sound is this? Let's find out what's in the bowl. I wonder what we'll find. Oh, some of you guessed it. A zebra. Zebra. We're cooking in our kitchen, with letter sounds, What sound is this? Yeah. Gonna find in the bowl. Oh, yeah. Yo-yo. Yeah. For yo-yo. Let's take a look at what we cooked up today. W for woman. Qu for quarter. A for undershirt. Z for zebra. Y for yo-yo. See what items you can find in your house that begin with W, Qu, A, Z, and Y. Have fun!